I have a feeling this is going to be one of those properties you won't forget. Sitting high above Elk Mountain, this home was designed around one thing: these incredible views. Perched on more than 25 private acres, this remarkable mountain retreat captures breathtaking 360-degree views of rolling mountain ranges, where every sunrise and sunset feels like a private show. Thoughtfully renovated from top to bottom, the home offers over 2,500 square feet of beautifully updated living space, where high-end finishes blend perfectly with the surrounding landscape. Expansive walls of glass fill the home with natural light, while bringing the outdoors into every room. Whether you're relaxing in the living area or sharing a meal with family and friends, the mountains remain the centerpiece of every space. Designed to comfortably accommodate up to 8 guests, this home offers incredible flexibility as a full-time residence, a luxury vacation home, or a private mountain getaway. Every detail has been carefully considered to create a warm, inviting atmosphere while making the most of the home's spectacular setting. It's the kind of place where you'll naturally slow down and enjoy every moment. Outside, complete privacy surrounds you. Instead of traffic and city noise, your daily soundtrack becomes gentle mountain breezes, native wildlife, and peaceful silence. Yet, despite the secluded feel, you're just a short drive from the New River, the scenic New River Trail, Shot Tower State Park, and convenient access to Interstate 77, giving you endless opportunities for hiking, fishing, kayaking, and outdoor adventure. Whether you're searching for a peaceful retreat, a luxury mountain escape, or a home where every day begins and ends with unforgettable views, Elk Mountain Retreat delivers a lifestyle that's becoming increasingly difficult to find. With more than 25 private acres, unmatched scenery, and total tranquility, this is more than just a beautiful home. It's your own private mountaintop sanctuary.